So far, this is nothing I need. Or nothing I really want. Or there may be a few things. So far, not really anything. Well, let's look back through. Possibly 8-inch digital caliper. I just have to see how good it is. I may think about the security bit set. My dad has something similar to that. And I think it's a different brand. The third bits, the 3H drive quick release extension bar set 4-piece. I'm gonna get the Quinn Razor Blade 10-pack. I'll get, and that's pretty much it. Alright, let me go back through. There may be some things I may get. There's a 20-in-1 multi-tool, yeah. There's really not much else I want to get. Or what I need. Well, let me re-look back through this. Security bit set. I think my dad has the same exact one but different brand, or maybe the same brand. I'm just gonna have to look, because our dad's was yellow. The H drive dual flex ratchet, I'll probably get, like I said, 3H drive quick release extension bar set 4-piece. I'll get 11-inch 45-degree long reach pliers. I'll probably get I'll probably look into, or I may instead get the, no, I'll get the Icon 3H drive professional socket extension set 6-piece, and possibly get the 3H drive 20 to 100 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench. Get the Pittsburgh 3H drive hex socket set. SAE and metric. I'm wondering if it comes with the hose, because that'd be nice to get if it comes with hose. If not, get this hose and get the 4th-inch brass industrial coupler too. Get the possible 16-ounce air tool oil. Could get the metal .50 caliber ammo can. Use that to store tools if I can. Get the disc brake pad and caliper service toolkit. Get the 8-inch multi-purpose stainless steel scissors for if I need it for the garage. The 11-inch pliers, probably get those. Could see about getting that cart, take the wheels off it, see if I, no, I think that won't fit, or I may be able to get it to fit, and set my tools on that rack I have, on the rack our dad has. So far, really nothing else that I would need or want, and I do not feel like going through any of these tabs, because I've gone through quite a bit of them in the past. And plus, at least hand tools will be Icon, possibly power tools if Pittsburgh sells anything, if Icon sells anything, or get automotive tools from Icon too as well. It just really depends, because I want to try to go on the cheaper side, get Icon compared to, or I could go Craftsman, or there's a bunch of other brands. It really just depends. So hopefully you guys just like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.